First, you need to apply the base coat, then this. Okay, you have to wait for it to fully dry. Lacquer is like that. Lacquer polishes. So if it's not fully dry, when you apply, it will smudge. So apply a thin coat layer first for base. Okay. To speed up the process, you need to use a dryer. If you got not much waiting time, use either a hair dryer or a lamp dryer. So a lamp dryer will have a blower, so it will speed up the time. If not, you can also use a hair dryer, which is you just turn on and blow dry. That is another alternative method. Okay, you will just wait for the timer on the lamp here for it to 150 seconds. Once done already, then we can apply the next layer. Be sure to blow it evenly so that it will dry before you apply the next layer. Okay, so now it's dry. Don't touch it first. Apply the next layer. Okay, I'm applying the black color. My Dun's black color. Okay, so apply thin layer. When you do it, you must do it evenly so that it will look nice on your nails. It all depends on how you apply. Okay, so now blow dry again. Nobody is perfect, so all you need is practice. So to play safe, just try it for about 150 seconds. You can dry longer if you want, just to play safe. You can dry 2 minutes. Lacquer is not like gelish. Gelish cure a lot faster than lacquer. So you do circular motion. If you want to do your nails, you have to have the patience to do. If not, why do your nails? If you let it air dry time takes longer. If you use the hair dryer and blow dry, it speeds up the time. So you blow, when you blow dry, you blow every angle, so that to make sure that the edge is fully dry. Okay, once it's dry, then you can apply another base layer so that it will not easily get scratched or knocked on. This can be act as a top coat or a base coat. You see, it's fully dry. If you apply smoothly, you can see it's very pretty, nice, smooth look. It all depends on your skill, how you apply it. If you want, you can do another layer, which is a top coat. If you don't want, it's up to you. But you can do so that you can protect the nail. And it can last a bit longer. Okay, repeat the same step and blow dry. Same thing, 150 seconds. If you don't have a timer, you can on your phone timer to time it. You can also mix with gelish top coat if you have a gelish top coat. Gelish top coat lasts longer and it prevents chipping. So that means you apply if you're doing gelish and plus a lacquer, what you can do is you can apply base coat first for the gelish base, and then you can apply the lacquer polish, and then you can apply the top coat, the last step for the gelish top coat, and that one will guarantee you non-chipping of polish for at least maybe 2 weeks. But if you don't have gelish, then you have to do the normal, which is the normal lacquer, the base coat, the color, and then the base coat again. This can be a top coat and a base coat, both. Okay, then you can touch already. Once it's done, you can touch it and it's dry and full and it's perfect. Depends on your skills, how you do it will give you the results. And also it depends on what you do. Example, if you use your detergent and soap to wash your hands, may also affect the polishes, because detergent, like dishwash, you wash dishes, it will affect the polishes on your nail, as there are different chemicals interact with the polish that you applied on your nails. So yep, so as you can see, it's perfect, very pretty.